Hey guys, it's your boy PHP Gaming. Well, if you're into this channel guys, please like the video, share the video and subscribe. So in this brand new tutorial guys, today I'm going to show you how you gonna install XAMPP server for setting up a local host on your Windows PC, Windows 10, Windows 11, alright, for the server Apache. Okay, so all you gotta do is to fire up your browser and just Google search XAMPP download, XAMPP, and simply XAMPP for Windows. So here's the latest version. So you have to click download for that. Okay, so as soon as the exe file gets completed, okay, this download gets completed, all you have to do is to run that as administrator. Okay, I'm going to show you full step by step. Okay guys, so as soon as it downloaded, so all you want to do is to hit open, hit yes, and here you want to install this. Important because inactivated or deactivate. Okay, don't forget about that. Right here we're gonna work with MySQL files like FTP via remote. Okay, connect via FTP. Alright, so let's install it. So if you wish to install it onto your desktop, then you're gonna make a new folder to your desktop and click browse and choose that folder. But since I have no problem, I would like to install it as default on the C drive. Okay, hit next, and this will install. Alright, so you will be prompted with this: do you want to start the control panel now? Click yeah, and this is the control panel guys. Okay, so what you need to do is only to select the service like Apache, MySQL. So you want to start for Apache and for MySQL. Okay, only these two. So let's say if you're familiar with Mercury, Tomcat, etc., then you can enable all of that. Okay, and you can click Explorer. Okay, so you don't need to visit blah blah blah. Okay, click this, click there. Okay, and the XAMPP folder. Just click on that inside the control panel. Click Explorer. It's gonna automatically bring up that the XAMPP folder right here. So right here we are in the htdocs. You can see the dashboard right here, index.php. Let's edit this and you can see this thing is currently empty. Alright, so dashboard, let's see what's in the dashboard. Alright, say you'd like to open, alright, say you'd like to create a new folder. So I know what I'm calling this as my own name. Alright, so next you want to open this, you want to tap localhost, and then what was it? Alright, boom, here we go. So as you can see, so now I'm inside the following folder. So if I remove this and I just I'm getting this dashboard. So there are files here, so that's why it loaded this thing. Okay, so if I delete everything in that dashboard and now I refresh it, it should be blank. Okay, so this is a parent directory. So again, I'm gonna work inside right here. So let's say I'm gonna create a text file. So let's say encoded emails, or just fucking emails. Let's say test123 gmail.com, gaming at gaming.com, 123 test123 at AOL.com, at gmail.com. Alright, so I'm just gonna repeat that. Okay, so next what you need to do, if you'd like to save it, okay, so you have to click file, save as, and then instead of this you wanna choose all files, and you wanna remove that .text. You wanna just remove the txt and replace it with PHP. So now it's saved as PHP. Now let's I'm gonna go to this thing, as you can see right here. Boom, as you can see, if I click that emails.php, I got the file, those emails. Alright, and email.text, I got those as well. So yeah, why I did this, I wrote those emails because I'm gonna make another tutorial on Open Bullet, Silver Bullet, how we can decode Cloudflare emails. Okay, Cloudflare, the fuck, I can't pronounce it. Cloudflare email decoding. Alright, this I'm gonna do a tutorial about this thing, Cloudflare email decoding. So that's why I created email text files. Okay, alright. So far, if you like the video, please give this video a thumbs up, ring that bell notification, and hit that subscribe button. It's your boy PHP Gaming signing out. Peace. Bye bye.